It's not always necessary to spend a lot of time and money to get something beautiful for our homes or for our needs. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rosetta here, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 different ideas out of cardboard. Yes guys, you heard it right, out of cardboard, which we usually think that is of no use and discard them. You just need a little bit of creativity and the results are going to be amazing. Trust me guys. So let's quickly dive into the video and see what we have for today. For the first DIY, I used this kind of cardboard box. I am cutting the flap and using the flap back to make the base stronger. I'm also gonna stick the side flaps to make the sides stronger. Now I'm taking a brown paper and tearing them into pieces. With a mixture of glue and water, I'm going to stick these brown papers on the box. Apply the mixture of glue and water first, then place the paper and again apply a coat on the paper. Now I have covered the entire box with this paper. It has dried completely, and taking a white base, I am coating it. After the base coat dried, I gave it the final shade. Once this dried, I took white color on a dry brush and just painted it here and there to give a distressed look. And at the corner, I am painting green color to give some depth to what I'm going to paint on this. Then using a lighter green shade, I am dabbing it with the help of brush, making some leaves, using different shades of green, drawing some branches here, and then scattering some flowers here and there. Again, I'm going to use different colors to make flowers. Just randomly scatter the flowers. Some more leaves here and there. And this is how it looks. On the other side, I'm going to paint some flowers again. And these go so well with this box. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and do press the bell icon to get updates of all my latest videos whenever I upload one. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much guys for your love and support. Alright, so I have also painted some leaves here. And this looks beautiful to me. Let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. Now, I'm also placing some cardboard pieces so that it holds the pen or any stationery items in place. And at the bottom, I'm going to place some beads, and this will act as stands. This is optional, but it just enhances the look. And here it is. I like it guys, it looks so beautiful and it is looking very different from the ordinary stationery holders. So here guys, how easily we transformed an ordinary box into a beautiful stationery holder. Otherwise the box would have been discarded, but it is now put to use and it is repurposed in a beautiful way. Now let's move on to the second DIY idea for this video, and for this I have taken 2 cardboard pieces. You can customize the size as per your need. I have taken mini pieces because I needed a mini picture holder, and I stuck both the pieces together to make it stronger. I'm covering the sides with this tape so that I can get clean edges. I have wrapped all the 4 sides, and again taking a mixture of glue and water, I'm gonna do the exact same thing what we did to the first DIY, sticking the pieces of paper. And this is dried completely. Now again taking this white base, I am coating it nicely. Let the base coat dry. Pick up the final shade and coat it. After this, I'm taking a brown color and using it to give a distressed look. Very lightly brush the sides. We don't have to cover it completely, just a little bit of it. Go slow with this because this is really important to give a beautiful look to this project. Take very little amount of color on the brush at a time for this step. Look how beautiful this looks. Taking a jute twine, I'm wrapping it. Stick the end. And we'll do the exact same thing on the other side as well. Now this is to help hold the picture in place. Using a small piece of fabric, I am making a bow. And then tying it with the help of jute twine. We will stick this bow on the picture frame. And the frame is ready. Look at it guys, it looks super cute. This is so beautiful and it will enhance the look of your room. Moving on to the third DIY, for this I have again taken two pieces of cardboard, stuck them together to make it stronger and wrapped the edges. I'm cutting the top section, again wrapping it as well. I have covered it with the pieces of brown paper. For this DIY, I am taking these two colors, mixing it, and after the base coat dried, I am applying it as a final coat. Once this dried, I painted coat and some flowers on it. You can write anything that makes you feel good, and trust me guys, when you look at it, you will really feel good and blessed. These are little things which we should remind ourselves, and these little things make our lives better and makes a big difference in our lives. And so I have chosen these three beautiful words: thankful, grateful and blessed. Now using a brown paper, I'm cutting strips and I'm going to use this to stick at the top of the board. Cut fine pieces and then gather them and stick it at the top. I added these strips to my project because it gives a beautiful, small, cozy look which I absolutely love. I also added few beads at the center. And now comes the final step, painting flowers on it. Again, I have used different colors of flowers here. Added some leaves. Some branches. few more leaves. I also added some petals and distressing the sides. And I'm happy the way it turned out. For this to stand, I have taken 2 pieces of cardboard and stuck them at the back so that it stands in place. I have also done the same thing with the mini picture frame, and here it is, guys. Look at it, how beautiful it looks. Whenever I look at it, I feel so blessed, so happy, and so thankful for whatever I have in my life. Let me know which one is your favorite out of the 3, and I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up, share this video as much as you can, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all and see you soon. Bye.